Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Avoid these common cabinet installation mistakes to ensure a perfect fit every time. Mistake number 1. Misalignment. Always use a level to ensure your cabinets are perfectly aligned. Mistake number 2. Inadequate support. Securely attach your cabinets to wall studs to prevent them from sagging or falling. Mistake number 3. Incorrect measurements. Double-check all your measurements to avoid any fit issues. Mistake number 4. Using the wrong fasteners. Use the appropriate screws and anchors for your wall type. Mistake number 5. Ignoring gaps. Use shims to fill any gaps between cabinets and walls for a seamless look. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll have a flawless cabinet installation in no time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.